Today I'm discuss about awesome and free audio editing software that is Audacity. I have in the past you have listened some photo editing software. It's the professional softwares like as Adobe Art, Audition and FL Studio and like this. There are lots of Premiere and professional photo editing software. But if you have any personal purpose in your home, you have to use this Audacity. This is the completely free and you can do the many things with the software. This has a lot of function and lot of tools to optimize your audio, enhance your audio. You can directly record. Just testing and where you can get this software. Just click the orders, right? The Audacity. You can see the official website. The Audacity Teams Tutorials. This is the open source cross-platform audio software. You can use this software for Windows, for Mac OS, and for Linux. This you can see here. This is open source software, and you can easily use free for it. Okay, just seeing something. The how to download if I'm using your I'm using Windows 10, so that's why I'm download for it's for Windows. And current version is 3.1.3. You can click the it's only 33 megabyte. I have already downloaded and installed this software because that's why I don't need to install it. And you can also this use software in the Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Okay, let's move to this software and how can you create a project in audio project. This is the main interface of the software, and in generally there's lots of the common tools and common folders. This is a new file open close and you can edit in edit option if you use the software and other software like as Photoshop and Illustrator. And this kind of the same function is present in this software for audio function. The select okay. I'm just recording a simple things. This is the record button. If you and I'm just selecting the microphone. My microphone is a Microsoft Red Audio. I'm just selecting this microphone and just click here and you see the curve. This my download is starting, and now I'm talking about this software, and you can see this the graph. And now if I'm silent, you see the that graph is empty. Okay, just press the space bar for just press the space bar for stop the software. And my audio project is ready now. You will see some the noise here, and if you easily zoom in and zoom out this timeline. Okay, just click Control and 1 for zooming. Because see that this straight line is not clear because it's have lots of noise here. You know that with if you see some mm, wave here, there have no noise. you do not see the this type of wave. Okay, just clear this noise. Okay, just click the effect and click the noise reduction and get noise profile and control A for select all. You just reduce this noise. Okay, and again if you see the white that you will see here, and click the effect and again go to the noise reduction, and here is the step 2. There's a noise reduction database. It's the default function, and I'm selected noise reduce uh, and click OK, and you just see the uh, your noise is almost some clean, and you need to do this again and again. Noise reduction, get the noise profile and select control A for select all and click again the noise reduction and reduce. I think and if you zoom out in it, and you can see here is the some low sound. If the value its curve is so high, it is a high sound, and if you see the low curve is a low height, is a no sound. Okay, I'm just reduce this portion and uh, just drag and select something, drag and select, and just simply click the delete button from your keyboard, and you'll see that this portion is reduced. And I just want to remove this portion. Just click that, simply delete, and after that you will see the lots of space here, because this is space I have created uh, uh, for showing the how it's recording. Okay, as I don't need to this, so I have to remove first. Okay, I have select the this blank portion and just clicking delete button, so that you have showing that the space is reduced, and again I'm showing, but I think here is some sound. Okay, no problem. I'm just clicking here and I'm reducing this silence time. This is the silence time, the silence time, the silence time. Okay, and I can reduce also uh, now. If I play there, okay. If I just play, just playing. This my tongue is turning, and now I'm talking. The graph, and now if I'm silent, you see the graph empty. Okay, just press the space bar for. Okay, we see that the sound is a normal sound. Now I want to modify the sound, like as modify the sound. Mm, you see this, here is the carp is so, and here is this sound carp is so high, but here is a very much down. I think this sound is very much low, and the sound is higher than this. So I need to increase the volume of this version. Just first select this version and just amplify effect and go to the amplify. Just go to the amplify and you see that this dB is a decibel, a new peak amplitude. This amplitude is low, so I need to amplitude to uh, 3. Okay, at first I have uh, okay, and oh, this 3 is very much higher than so. I'm just pressing the Control Shift and again just 1.3. Okay, this also too much. That's again. I'm just reduce this just simply 1. Okay, you can see that it's almost similar. Now you can see that this sound is so higher. So that's this sound is higher. Okay, now I'm just playing this. And now I'm talking about this software, and you can see this the graph. And now if I'm silent, you see the graph empty. Okay, okay, just changing the treble. I can change the speed. I can change the speed easily. If you change the uh, pitches, change the tempo. If I change the speed, okay, I need to first select all. And one thing, you see that this file is this file is controlled. Is a 22 0 minute 22 second. Okay, after reduce the 22 second, after changing the speed, how is changed the length of this audio. Okay, just simply click the change speed. Uh, okay, if our current length is 22.56 seconds, and if I reduce the speed, if I reduce the speed, you show the new length will be 13 seconds. Or if you reduce it make, and you see the 29 second. Okay, I have changed the audio length. I'm just playing this. This my tower is starting, and you just control Z. Now I'm talking about normal. This. Okay, I'm just now I'm just changing the speed of this effect, change the speed, and this is very faster. And you'll see that the speed is only 14. The tower is starting, and now I'm talking about this software, and you can see the graph. And if I'm silent, you see the graph. Okay, just press the space bar for just press the space bar for stop the tower is starting, and now I'm talking about this software, and you can see the graph. And okay. Now I'm talking about this software, and you can easily change the bass effect, and you can curve filter, equalizer, and manage. Uh, if you just I'm changing it in decibel for, and you will change the bass. Starting, and now I'm talking about it's this software. You can. Okay, in early videos, I discussed the details about how we will add, how we will work with you professionally in audio. Okay, although I have completed this project, just how to export, just click the file and you can click the file and export to mp3. You can export into different audio formats. Now I'm just clicking the export audio 3, and please name the file and test as mp3, and I have to how this is the lots of quality settings, 332 kbps. Okay, I'm just uh, selecting this and save. Press saving. They give some option for you can add your artist name, track number, year, channel, comment, and just click OK. And this file will save.